In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover past tax returns TurboTax. If you need to access an older tax return for your records for verification or to share with an accountant, TurboTax makes that process pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find your saved tax documents and download the return you need. To begin, make sure you're signed into your TurboTax account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Documents section and click on it. This is where TurboTax stores important files connected to your account, including prior returns and related paperwork. If you've used TurboTax over multiple years, this area is especially helpful because it keeps your documents organized in one place. After opening Documents, find the option labeled View Documents From. Go ahead and select it. This lets you choose the tax year you want to review. If you're trying to recover a return from a previous filing year, this is the key step that helps narrow everything down, so you're not searching through the wrong set of files. Take a moment here to make sure you pick the correct year before moving on. Once the documents for that year appear, look for the file or return you want to recover. Next to the document, you'll see a three-dot menu. Click those three dots to open more options. In many platforms, this menu contains actions that aren't shown directly on the main screen. So if you don't immediately see a download button, this is exactly where you want to check. From the menu that appears, click Download. TurboTax will then begin downloading the selected tax return to your device. Depending on your browser settings, the file may automatically save to your Downloads folder, or you may be asked to choose where you want to save it. If you plan to use the file later, it's a good idea to rename it clearly and store it somewhere easy to find, like a folder for tax records, and that's it. By going to Documents, choosing View Documents From, opening the three-dot menu and selecting Download, you can quickly recover a past tax return from your TurboTax account. One final tip: after downloading the return, open the file right away to make sure it's saved correctly and contains the document you needed. That quick check can save you time later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.